can't lift that water bottle no matter how hard you try. 1, 2, 3, awake. Good. Watch what happens if I hand you the bottle. You've become completely stuck to the couch.
What? Stop grabbing onto me. Let me grab you up. Put your face on red, Alan.
Feet flat on the ground for me. This will help.
Bro! That's actually crazy! I am kind of scared. Are you? Is it too late to back out now, or? I think it is too late. It's too late. Alright. What's going on, man? Hey, Alex.
Nice to meet you guys.
Andrew.
Okay, so I'm just gonna be honest. I don't think any of us have ever really seen hypnosis, and I feel like 90% of our followers probably have no idea. So could you explain it to us?
So a lot of people tend to have the idea if they've never seen hypnosis actually live or in person, we create a belief strong enough that it becomes your actual experience.
Has it ever like not worked, or is it like?
So the only times it doesn't work are when people don't want it to work.
So I guess there's only one way to find out if it's gonna work. If something happens, I don't think we should go first.
Don't
Would
even
you
look
mind
at
going
me.
first?
Oh
Don't.
my-
Andrew's gonna go
It's y'all's
first.
video.
It's 2 against 1. Yeah, go first.
Here we go.
Alright.
So what we'll do is I'll take your hand if you will. I'll have you focus right on the center of this hand. And in a moment, when I say that word sleep, that feeling of relaxation will spread from your arm to the rest of your body. Eyes closed down now. Let yourself sleep. Focus on the sound of my voice all the way. Absolutely incredible. Let yourself 1, 2, 3. Awake. Eyes open. You're good. Hey, feeling?
Pretty good.
What just happened? I'm sorry. I've never reacted like that. Oh my god, are you okay?
That's
right. Sleep. Oh my god.
Eyes right here again. Deep breath in. Breathe out, sleep. Eyes closed all the way down. Even. The next time that you open your eyes, you're going to find that your own first name has suddenly just vanished from your mind. So 1, 2, 3, awake. You're good. Yeah. I know we did like the intro at the beginning, and again, your name was.
Steven. No.
Steven!
So if we just give you your name back, and now you know what it was.
Andrew.
There we go. But just like we could give it back, we could take it away. Imagine I reach in and I steal your name, so now it's gone again. Your name was.
He's like, I'm gonna start calling you Steven. Steven. He's like, do you remember he said that?
I just remember saying Steve. I just don't
You're
know
like,
why.
who's Steven? Is that like your best friend or something? Why didn't you say Alan or Alex?
So deep breath in for me, breathe out, and return to sleep. All the way down to an amazing state of relaxation. However, next time you open your eyes, you're going to find that you've become completely stuck to the couch. You cannot get up. It's like the world's strongest super glue is underneath. 1, 2, 3, awake. Good. All right. But notice what happens. If I ask you to try to stand up, notice what happens.
Wait, what? What's he squeezing me like that? What? How? Oh my god. How? How is this?
Count down from 3 to 1. When you reach the number 1, he'll be unstuck. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Bro, that's actually crazy.
All right. Or use this. Focus right here for me. Sleep all the way down to an amazing state of relaxation. Next time that you open your eyes, you're going to find that the water bottle that you see sitting in front of you is the heaviest object in the entire world. You can't lift that water bottle no matter how hard you try. 1, 2, 3, awake. You good?
Yeah.
All right. Now, this is a normal water bottle. But watch, notice what happens if you try to pick it up. But this is so heavy you can't even hold it. Watch what happens if I hand you the bottle.
It's so weird seeing him like this.
All right, watch. You found your hands have become stuck to the bottle now.
Hand it to me. Hey, give it to me. Give it to me. Oh my god. Do you remember anything?
But it's like at the time when you're doing it, you're just like, I don't know. It's like.
It's like when you're in a dream.
How did you?
Yeah, it's like, yeah, exactly. It's
Remember.
almost like a dream. You know how like you like remember like what
You
happened.
remember
You just
parts
can't
of it?
explain like you know like how.
That's crazy.
All right, guys.
Enter
Good
tween.
luck, guys.
Enter tween going.
Good luck, guys. Really good luck. Be safe, guys.
All right, bye, Andrew.
All right.
I feel like you should go first. No, you should go first.
No, you go
Because I'm
first.
older.
All right, tell you what. We're gonna both do it at the same time. Both of you take your 2 hands for me like this, if you will. Bring them together, interlock all of your fingers. As your eyes just focus and fixate on that spot, let your mind just become completely focused. And as you let yourself now sleep, all the way down, that amazing state of relaxation, focus. That's right, all the way down, even deep. 1, 2, 3, awake. Doing good, sitting up for me, feeling good. All right.
Why was I twitching?
I feel pretty relaxing, pretty good.
Yeah, no, I actually got like tired and I was, my hands were like,
I don't even know what just happened.
Deep breath in, breathe out, sleep. All the way back down. Focus on the sound of my voice. All the way down. That's right. All the way down. Next time you open your eyes, you're going to find that the both of you have just completely forgotten your own first name. Absolutely amazing. 1, 2, 3, awake. Good. Sitting up straight and tall. I know we did the intro, so people know I'm Zach Pinsent, I'm the hypnotist, and you were
My name is Jeff.
And you are...
Alex?
Who's this? You know his name, right?
What? Wait, what? Wait. Alan, right?
Yeah, you know his name. What was your name?
I just said it. Wait, I'm so confused. Wait, what? No, it's no. It's like my brain was like frying. It's kind of like. Wait, what is my name? Alex? Shane, what's my name? Alex, right? Wait, can we take a quick pause? Hold on. Alex.
Shake your hand, you go to sleep, all the way down. Sleep. Eyes closed, all the way down, even deeper. Next time you open your eyes, anytime I say the word hypnosis, that's actually the funniest word you've heard in your life. Next time you open your eyes, 1, 2, 3, awake. Good. First time, neither of you have done any hypnosis before, right?
What? Wait, what?
It's just hypnosis, is all that is.
Say it one more time.
It's just hypnosis. Alright, so both of you deep breath in, breathe out, just let yourself sleep. His eyes close all the way down to the basic state of relaxation focus. Next time that you open your eyes, you're going to find that you've become completely stuck to the couch and you can't get up. The harder you try to get up, the more stuck you are in place. You open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, awake. Good. Notice what happens if I ask you to try to stand up.
Wait, what? Wait. What? Stop grabbing onto me. Let me grab you up. Stop. No, wait. Let me try to get you up first.
When I snap,
Put your face up red, Alan.
watch this. Put your feet flat on the ground for me. This way. When I snap my fingers, you're no longer stuck to the couch, but your feet are stuck to the floor. Watch. Now you can get up easily. You can stand up easily. But now watch what happens if you try to take a step forward. You notice that you can't. Whoop, there we go. Don't fall over. Watch again. I snap my fingers. Your feet are unstuck, and now you can take a step easily.
It's like I forgot how to walk. Wait, what? Why am I walking on my side? I'm walking on my side.
Actually, this will be kind of interesting. What we'll do is actually both of you put your right finger on your right hand out. It touches. Just draw sleep. Eyes closed, all the way down. Next time that you open your eyes, any time that I clap my hands, I become completely invisible. I literally vanish and disappear in front of you. 1, 2, 3, awake. Good. All right. Good. How are you?
Wait, are you okay? It's like if you stare at something for too long, you don't see it anymore. Wait, what? Okay, wait, so...
Is right?
Wait, can you show me the footage? I want to know what actually happened. Show me the footage.
Watch, when I snap my fingers, you're actually going to hear that water bottle talking to you. Alright? Is everything alright with the bottle?
Yeah, it told me to drink it.
It told you
It was going like, drink me, Alex.
Watch, it's still talking to you now. What else is it saying?
Go grab another bottle of water to clear up your skin.
Drink all its friends. Great. Continue to focus. Continue to follow it and sleep. All the way down. Those eyes closed. Next time that you open your eyes, anytime I stomp my foot and make that sound, I actually turn into Bigfoot. 1, 2, 3, awake. Good. Alright, watch. All that I really have to do is this. Watch.
Why does he look like Chewbacca? You know what I'm talking about, right?
Alright, watch.
Alex, are you okay?
Alright? What's going on there? Both of you focus right here for me. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Eyes closed. Let yourself sleep. All the way down. The next time that you open your eyes, you're not going to recognize the person sitting next to you. 1, 2, 3, awake.
Why are we sitting so close to each other?
Wait,
why are we?
Well, who are you here with? Who is it? Do you know who that is?
Yeah, he's been here the whole time.
Yeah, but who is he? Why was he here the whole time?
Because we were already... Did it work?
Yes, like I was laughing so much. It did. I was
it didn't. I wish Andrew was
right?
Okay, so we're not. At least I'm not exactly sure like what 100% like happened inside the video. I feel this has been a weird morning. Yeah, like a very weird experience. It feels like we weren't filming, but yeah. So like I'm not really gonna know like what exactly happened until like I watch over the footage. So that's gonna be it for this week's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. We say this every time, but that was actually the craziest and weirdest thing I've ever seen. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give this video a like. You guys should comment down below what your favorite part of the video was. Okay, at this point I'm just using it for like my own good, but maybe if you guys want to see who my crush is and hypnotize her to fall in love with me, because I could use that. I could use some of that right now. But anyways, we wanted to give a huge thank you to Zach. We'll be linking his channel down in the description. We want to see more really cool hypnosis videos. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me, guys.
Yeah, thank you so much. Group hug. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching once again, and we'll see you guys next time.